In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Shopify theme. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. On the left-hand menu, find Online Store, and then click Themes. This Themes page is where you can manage your current live theme, your unpublished themes, and any theme files you have added to your store. Next, scroll down until you see the Theme Library section. This is the area where new themes are stored before you publish them. Click Add Theme. At this point, you have two options. You can choose a theme from the theme store, which is Shopify's marketplace of themes, or you can upload a .zip file if you already downloaded a theme from another source. If you are uploading, make sure the file is a zip and that it is the full theme package, not an extracted folder, so Shopify can install it correctly. Once the theme finishes adding to your library, you will see it listed on the Themes page. Before making it live, click Customize next to the new theme. This opens the theme editor, where you can preview your storefront and adjust settings like layout, colors, typography, and homepage sections. Take your time here because customizing first helps you avoid publishing a theme that is not ready. Before you switch themes, create a backup of your current one. Go back to the Themes area, locate your current theme, click the three dots menu, and select Duplicate. This creates a copy you can return to later if you want to restore your previous design or compare settings. Give Shopify a moment to finish duplicating so the copy appears in your theme list. Now return to the main themes page again, find the new theme you want to use, and click Publish. Shopify will show a confirmation pop-up. Read it quickly to ensure you are publishing the correct theme, then confirm Publish. After that, the new theme becomes your live storefront. Give your store a quick check on the front end to confirm everything looks right, and that covers everything you need to know.